Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street, we keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
All right, so just by looking at this, guys, so basically, within using my account, I was on my other broker, which is Durham Markets, and I had placed this sale stop. Okay. As you guys can see, it was Tuesday, November 5th of this year. So if you are within the United States, you know that that was the election day. I told myself prior to the election day that I was not going to trade whatsoever at all. However, this is why it's very important that you don't listen to anyone. That includes your friends, your colleagues who also trade, etc. Right. Guys, I listen to the news, I listen to everybody else besides my very own strategy that literally told me, because as you guys already know, I follow the trend. The trend was still going for a buy on the day charts. And I sent out to my team, because I am holding myself accountable, a sale opportunity, because I thought, based on the gibberish and the noise, because everybody was saying, oh, it's going to go for a sale, blah, blah, blah. Guys, I sent out a sale stop opportunity at 20,137. TP1 was going to be 2111, and then TP2 was going to be 2191. Or 90. So this is where basically I set my sell stop. So I'm very confident, because as I mentioned to you guys, it's very important that you are confident when you do place a trade. So basically that's what I did. And so I was so confident, I got in, and then I sent it to my group, guys. And so that's what happened, guys. So you know what? I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade, very confident. And this is what it's doing, guys. Guys, I lost $20,000. I was so confident, guys. I had 5 different orders open, pending orders open. It was at 20.00. So if you know what lot size that is, comment down below, because you know that that is a lot size that I came a long way from. So it's super exciting that I'm able to use that. However, it wasn't a good look because I lost a lot of money. I had to understand from that point that, hey, I need to take a break. I need to just woosah. I need to look back at what I did wrong and gain my confidence back up again. So what I did was I took that Wednesday, Thursday off, because typically I trade from Monday to Thursday. And so I had took that Wednesday to Thursday off. During that time, when I was actually looking at the market and using my strategy once again, I noticed that I was correct based on my strategy. However, listening to the noise, feeling like you're going to miss a move and not sticking to your strategy, that can definitely just mess up your whole rhythm. Y'all lost so much money for no reason, because I should have just stuck with my gut, and I should have just stuck with my trade strategy that I have worked for so long on. And then I just literally, it's out of my mind because I'm thinking about, the other money that I'm missing out on. I'm thinking about all the other money that I could potentially miss out on. And guys, the thing is that you don't have to have all of the money. Like, whatever your strategy gives to you and whatever profit goal that you have set, or a point goal, stick with that goal. And that's what I did. I messed up because simply I went against my strategy, and I listened to people on the internet, and just people in general making assumptions not really based on history, background, or anything. And I basically lost a lot of money, and I just hold myself accountable for it, because just kind of retesting and going back into the market and just kind of reanalyzing everything together, because my head was all over the place. Because, guys, as I stated to you guys, we were on a very high streak of wins. It was a lot of weeks where we were winning, a lot of days where we were winning. It was very rare for us to really lose, because, again, when I send out these trading signals, guys, I make sure that everyone is profiting. So with NAS, what's so wonderful about NAS is that it ultimately provides the market, or within the market, it provides about 100 points, which is the equivalent to 1,000 pips. So if your goal is already 20 pips in dip, you're more than likely, if you're trading NAS, is going to reach that goal, right? If you stick with your strategy and you do not listen to the noise, right? And that's what I should have done. Okay, so I was a little bit nervous because I didn't know what the politics and then the election altogether was going to do with the market. As you guys know, when there's significant things that are going around the world, sometimes it could just be a candle that you're not even looking at or even noticing, as far as like war or something is causing the market to go down in a way. So I was thinking, with everything going on and just listening to everyone and just reading and things like that, it really messed up my rhythm, because honestly, I could have probably made 20,000 instead of losing that. But that is basically how I go about when I do have losses, is I take a break. I don't try to force myself to trade, because now I'm not in the mood to trade anymore. Now I'm in a position where I'm trying to revenge trade. And as a trader, it's very important that you don't do that, because basically what you're going to do is blow your account. And that's not something that we want to do, right? So just make sure that if you are losing, and you're losing very bad to where you lost maybe 10 to 15% of your account, I think, in my opinion, I think it's just time to basically settle down, step away from the actual market itself, take a breather, go get you a snack, go walk it off, and then come back the next day and look at what you missed. What was it that messed you up? What in your strategy caused you to basically not make a bad decision? Because all of this is honestly like a hypothesis, but what made you select this choice rather than the other? So that's something that you want to keep in mind when you do move forward with losing. And also, on top of that, guys, if you're losing consistently, I would advise for you to go back into your account on the demo and try to win at least for 4 days straight before you actually get back into your real account, because you want to make sure that consistency is there, because we want to trade efficiently, right? So those are some of the tips that I would suggest for you guys. Especially, I know I have a lot of beginner trader subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos and also supporting me. So I would say that if you are a beginner trader, that these are some of the tips that I use, to build on my skills as a trader. But other than that, guys, I was able to bounce back. That next week, I did come back stronger than ever. And since then, we have been having back our winning weeks. So again, guys, things happen. And it's very important that we hold each other accountable and hold ourselves accountable for things like that, and just kind of learn from our mistakes so that it doesn't happen again in the future. But other than that, guys, stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is free. And don't forget, if you haven't already as well, guys, go ahead and join the Trading Signal VIP group, where I basically send about 1 to 3 trade ideas from Monday through Friday. No, not Friday, y'all. From Monday through Thursday at 8 a.m. Central Time to 12 p.m. Central Time. So other than that, thanks, guys. Bye.